Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. We are looking at a song by Ebuka song and Peterson, Okopi. Okay, the song is called Whatever. So we'll be in the key of F. So if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it. Okay. So we'll be breaking this particular song in the key of F, and in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so I'll be taking you through the course of this particular song. Okay, this song follows a simple progression which I'll be showing you in a moment. So let's dive in. So in the key of F, the first chord they hit to start this particular song was the 1 chord. Okay, the Do chord. Alright, basically we all know Do chord. Okay, so whichever key you play, you can play the Do chord. Okay, but on the Do chord, this is what I am playing. Okay, I'm doing the C, F, J, A on the left. Right hand is doing the C, the F, A. Then I'm doing the 5 chord. C, J on the left. Right hand is doing the C, D, E, J. Then I'm doing this. I'm doing the J, D. Right hand, B flat, D, F, and B flat. Alright, so we have this. Alright, the second chord being this. Okay, then I did this particular movement. Then the 4th chord, which I'll be playing this chord. Okay, so we are having the B flat chord. Okay, so basically that is the B flat, F, right hand, B flat, C, D, F. Okay, so basically I have the 1 chord, we have the 5 chord, we have the 2 chord, then we have the 4. Okay, so basically the Do, the So, the Re, the Fa. You can call me name or whatever. You can call me names or whatever. For your glory, for your glory. You can call me names. Okay, so you can call me names or whatever. You can call me names or whatever. It's for your glory, for your glory. So basically the song follows the same progression. The 1, 5, 2, 4. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will see you in another video. Bye.